Okay, here we go. First bite.
Not bad.
Not bad. We get a not bad.
I think it's better than the Mexicans.
Is it?
I think so. A lot more flavor.
Good. I made a white
And it is hot.
sauce dip. It is hot.
It is spicy. It's got a bite.
That's what it's supposed to. I made a Mexican white sauce. Okay, the ingredients are 1 cup Miracle Whip, 1 cup sour cream, 1/3 cup milk, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of jalapeno brine, and 1/4 cup of pickled jalapenos. And I'm telling you, it is absolutely just perfect. It gives you just a little bit of a zing in it, but it's good. Yeah, I made 2 different recipes of pickled jalapenos. The one on the left is an easy 10-minute pickled jalapeno recipe. You can freeze frame and maybe catch it there. All you need is 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 cloves of garlic smashed, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which you can adjust hotter to 1 tablespoon, less hot to 3 tablespoons. Medium heat would be 2 tablespoons. The next batch I make is going to be 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 4 large size jalapenos sliced. The other recipe it's also called Easy Pickled Jalapenos. Use 4 large jalapeno sliced, 2 carrots sliced, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 2 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, and a tablespoon whole coriander seeds, and 1 pint pickling jar. It's a pretty easy recipe. I haven't tried those yet, but the first ones I tried are really good, and they are good.